Hello everybody, my name is Robert from theinfinitecup.com. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 things that you can do to instantly raise your vibration. So come on, let's do it. I'm here in the beautiful sunny California, walking through the orchard, soaking up some sunshine, breathing in that fresh prana. Life is good. So let's get into this. I really wanted to take some time to upgrade your life, all right? Instantly raise your vibration, okay? First, let's get into it. Let's talk about what vibration is. What does that even mean, okay? Scientifically, it's the word frequency, all right? I can put a number on it. Every emotion has a frequency. We are energetic beings having this human experience, okay? We need to upgrade our frequency every single day. Life is a gift. This is such a miracle to be living here on Earth, experiencing all of this abundance that nature has to offer. Let's raise our vibration every single day. I'm going to give you the 5 things that you can do right now to instantly raise your vibration, okay? So now that we know what frequency is, we are all frequency. Whatever emotions you're feeling, whatever you're doing, if you've had a bad day, these are all different ranges of frequency that you are embodying, okay? So now let's get into it. Number 1, environment is stronger than willpower, okay? Environment will always be stronger than willpower. Think about that. You have to put yourself in a place where you can thrive, okay? So if you want to instantly raise your vibration, put yourself in an environment where you can thrive. For me, I'm out here living on a sustainable farm. We got 20 acres. I feel so charged every single day because I'm here in an environment that supports me, okay? So that's number 1. Number 2, you need to get rid of all the toxicity in your life, okay? Let's start with what's toxic in your friends. Maybe it's a relationship that you're in that just isn't serving you. Maybe it's a partner in your life that you're seeing. It could be a family member. It's really important to take the time to address your toxic load. And I'm not talking about health. We'll get to that. That's going to be number 3. What we're doing is we're talking about your toxicity in your life, your relationships, okay? This is huge, all right? And it's really important to get the best people in your life that are going to benefit and support your highest growth, okay? Instantly raise your vibration by telling those people, you're not serving me anymore. Take my life, for example. I've dropped so many friends, so many ex-relationships because it wasn't serving me, okay? I have high goals and potential in this life that I am aspiring to, and anything that is going to get in that way, it's not serving me, so I have to let it go. All right, so number 3, we're going to talk about toxicity in your diet. All right, we need to have clean fruits and vegetables that are organically grown. Instantly raise your vibration by stopping all of that conventional food, okay? We live in a world where there's food that's not even food. Our body doesn't know the difference. Things like canola oil is man-made, has nothing to do. It does not serve anybody to have canola oil in your diet, all right? That's a great example. I'm not going to get into all of them right now. It's simply removing the toxicity from your diet, okay? So we need to have clean access to fruits and vegetables. Get to that farmer's market. Get to know your farmer. Find a local farm near you and get fruit or vegetables from there. That is the way to do it. Once you have years of clean food, you get rid of the toxicity, your vibration will go up, 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 okay? This is how you do it. All right, number 4, we're gonna get into what are your daily habits, okay? This is about success habits. Every single day we have reoccurring thoughts and we're going to the same job, we're going to the same thing, we're doing a lot of the same stuff over and over again, right? So here's the thing, to instantly raise your vibration, you wanna circulate new energy, okay? Bring new things into your life. And I'm not talking anything dramatic. It could be something as simple as reading a new book or listening to a song that you've never heard before, a genre of music you've never heard before. what that is going to do, it's going to instantly raise your vibration because it's making your brain think about something that you've never thought about before. This is huge. This is going to allow your brain to have new cosmic energy flowing within it because you're firing all these new mechanisms, neurotransmitters are relaying information, and this is how you can raise your vibration because you're not stuck doing the same old thing over and over again. A good example is I used to work at Whole Foods, and I haven't been there in many years, and I went back there a couple years ago, and the same people are still working there. Nothing against working there or being there, but what I can tell is that job is not serving them. They're literally walking around in zombie mode, stocking shelves because they're afraid just to enter their heart and do something they love, okay? Which brings me to number 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5.
All right, this is it. This is the most profound thing that you can do to raise your vibration right now, and that's simply do what you love, okay? I know it sounds simple, but you need to take action, okay? A lot of people are living up here in their brain, trying to think their way through life, and that means nothing. The intellect only gets us so far. The real magic on this earth is living in your heart, getting into your heart space, okay? And how do you do that? You do what you love. It's so simple to me, and still it's so profound, right? You need to do what you love, okay? Write it down. Take a piece of paper right now. Get 3 things out or on your phone. What do you love to do? For me, okay, I love yoga, riding my bike, and eating amazing fruit, organically grown, especially if I picked it myself. I absolutely love doing that. So those are my top 3, and I do that almost every single day, okay? Because when I'm in my heart, I'm loving everything. That is contagious. My vibration goes up because the vibration of love is one of the highest vibrations that you can feel, all right? So take all of these tips, take all 5 things. You can do this today. You can do this right now. This is something that you can bring into your life, because once you have all 5 of these things integrated into your life, now your vibration is way up here. That's what we want. We want to vibrate high, baby. We want to vibrate so high that all of those lower frequencies just can't handle us, okay? When you vibrate high, when you're in your heart and you're loving life, it's contagious. Other people will see that, and they were gonna ask you, man, why does he look so good? Why is he so confident? Why does she have such a big smile on her face all the time? They're gonna ask you questions because they're living in their head all the time. So get into your heart space. Drop all that toxicity out of your life, whether it's relationships, the food, get rid of it. It's not serving you, okay? Upgrade yourself, expand your cup. That is what we are here for, okay? So get all 5 of these things in. Please, your vibration will raise instantly. This is something you can't pass off. This is something you don't want to put on the back burner. Something you can do right now. Get rid of those toxic movies. Stop watching all those TV shows that's not serving you. Educate yourself. Get into your heart, feel the love. The magic of this universe is here, and we are here to love life, okay? Thanks you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Blessings.